She's 17 years old, studying from Purukpuru. Following highways, hairstyles, and the rhythm of determination, your aims reflect the strength of resilience. On the stage, share your story and inspire countless hearts as you chart your course towards strife. Once again, in the Bidding 1, Pablor Parchomento Yusente. Bidding 2 is Angel Jornada Canuco. She is 17 years old, stutter from Purukdos. Each smile still a story. Every step is a journey. Smile big, most of be confident because beauty shines from within and confidence leads the way to the crown.
Ako siya sa isang madilim.
Once again, Binibining 2, Angel Jornada Canuco.
Binibining 3 is Thea Faye Feliciano Julia. She is 60 years old, son from Progress. Her motto is life. God are not made of white stone. They are made of discipline, determination, consistency, and a rare great goal, courage. Once again, meeting to me.
again, Pinipini 3 of AFA Feliciano Tubal.
Mo siya sa isang
Pinipini 4 is nothing but Irina Bravo. He is 15 years old, stunner from Coronado. Beauty is not just about the face, but the way you carry yourself, dressed in dress. Shine bright and praise your beauty with confidence. Once again, Binibining 4, Andy Batirina Damo. If 5 is Aravila Aurora Tyson. She is 20 years old, Steiner from Mexico. Royal life is winning is not about the crown in your head or the sash across your shoulder. It's about being fair and just capturing the heart of people. Once again, in Bill 5, Aravila Regan Tyson.
mo siya sa
Hannah Pablo Malapira. She is 15 years old, stunner from Purong Sais. Her the strongest action for a woman is to love herself, to be herself and shine amongst those who never believe she could. Philippine 6, Hannah Malapira. Once again, our once again, our 6 lovely Binibini in their evening gown competition. Wow, such an elegance in your evening gown. They deserve a round of applause. A round of applause, please.
Sino kaya sa kanila ang nakakakuha ng best in gown ngayong gabi na ito? Manggagaling kayo sa pulong 1?
O kaya sa purok 2? Ay, wag
Mahina na.
Parang matulog na yata sila.
Tama, di mga taga-purong 3! Wow, malakas pa rin ang kanilang energy.
Tulog na ba ang purok 4?
Sasayaw pa kasi sila, Ma'am Jo.
Malapit na.
Tama, yung mga taga-purong 5! Wow!
At syempre,